If you need a clean image file icon for a design, website mockup, app screen, or presentation, Figma makes it really easy to create one in just a few steps. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create an image file icon in Figma using the Iconify plugin, so you can quickly find the right icon and place it into your design without wasting time searching all over the internet. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Figma tip. Let's jump in. First, open your Figma file and make sure you're inside the design area where you want to place the icon. This can be a frame, a mockup, or any blank canvas you're working on. Once you're ready, look at the bottom toolbar and click the Actions icon. This is where Figma keeps a lot of useful tools, plugins, and shortcuts that help speed up your workflow. After clicking Actions, choose Plugins and Widgets from the menu. Now you'll see the plugin search area. In the search bar, type Iconify. Iconify is one of the most popular Figma plugins for finding and inserting icons because it gives you access to a huge library of symbols and file types. Once you see it in the results, click it to run the plugin. If this is your first time using it, Figma may take a second to load the plugin window, so just give it a moment. When Iconify opens, you'll see a search field where you can look for the exact icon you want. Type image file into the search bar, then press enter. This will pull up icon options related to image files such as file icons, picture icons, or document-style image symbols, depending on the icon set you're using. Take a second to review the results so you can choose the one that best fits your design style. Once you find the icon you want, simply drag and drop it onto your canvas. You can place it exactly where you need it and then resize it if necessary to match the rest of your layout. Because it's inside Figma, you can also recolor it, adjust the stroke, or duplicate it as needed so it matches your project perfectly. And that's it. You've now created an image file icon in Figma using Iconify. It's a fast and simple method that saves you time and gives you access to professional looking icons right inside your design workspace. If this video was useful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out more Figma tutorials for beginner-friendly tips just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.